Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both surface and papers so the job goes fast and stays smooth. First, clean the wall thoroughly. Dust and grease cause bubbles. Then measure and cut strips with a 2 cm overlap, labeling tops for pattern match. Mix the adhesive exactly to package strength and let it rest for 5–10 minutes so it hydrates evenly. This helps the paste slide and compress under the paper. Once done, apply a thin, even coat to the wall or backing, making sure there are no globs. You now position and adhere the first strip carefully because alignment sets the visual flow. Align the pattern at the top and leave about 1/2 cm allowance above the ceiling for trimming. Press the top edge to tack it. Smooth the center outward with a wallpaper brush while pulling gently downward to keep tension. This expulses air toward the edges. Once you have a good tack, use a seam roller along joins to compress seams. Do not overroll wet paper. Make sure to wipe excess paste promptly with a damp sponge. You finish by trimming and addressing any remaining bubbles so the surface looks factory fresh. Trim edges with a sharp blade against a straight edge and clean seams with a damp sponge, making sure no paste remains visible. If you spot a small bubble, lift the nearest edge slightly, squeeze out air and re-squeegee. For a large blister, make a tiny X, inject paste, press flat, and wipe clean. This prevents peeling later. Once done, check seams after drying and avoid heavy handling for 24 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.